Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update PayPal 1099 data imports into Xero. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the reports section found in the menu. Select tax documents from the list of available reports. Choose the appropriate year for the 1099 data you need to update. Click on Download to obtain the 1099 report as a CSV file. Next, open your Xero account in a new tab or window. In Xero, go to the Accounting menu on the top navigation bar. Select Advanced from the drop-down options. Click on Import under the Advanced options. Find and click on Import Transactions. Choose Bank Transactions from the list of available transaction types. Select the file you downloaded from PayPal. Ensure the downloaded CSV file is formatted correctly according to Xero's requirements. If needed, adjust the columns in your CSV to match Xero's import format. Now, proceed to upload the prepared CSV file into Xero. Review the field mapping to ensure all PayPal fields align correctly with Xero fields. Once confirmed, click on Import to upload the data. Wait for the confirmation message that indicates how many records were successfully imported. Review the imported transactions to verify correctness. If discrepancies are found, make necessary adjustments directly in Xero. Finally, ensure your reports reflect the updated information for accurate accounting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.